Good morning. This is a recording for Monday, June 2nd. Today's Zen story is titled The River That Refused to Flow. The river had stopped moving. Haku stood at its edge as the water pooled unnaturally still while the current rushed past on either side. This river was famous amongst travelers. They often stood by the river bank to whisper their worries to the water, watching their reflections ripple and fade. One day, a young monk named Haku arrived at the river's edge, seeking solace from his restless thoughts. He cupped his hands in the water and let the cool stream slip through his fingers. Yet, as he gazed at the current, something strange caught his eye. A section of the river ahead was motionless. Puzzled, Haku went to investigate. The water did not move. It pooled, clear and still, while the rest of the river continued to flow. He dipped his hands in. The surface barely trembled. It was as though the spirit of the river has decided to stop. An old fisherman sitting nearby watched him with quiet amusement. "This river refuses to flow," Haku said, turning to him. "How can this be?" The fisherman cast his line into the water, letting it rest. "Perhaps it doesn't refuse," he said. "Perhaps it's waiting." Haku frowned. "A river must move. That's its nature." The fisherman said nothing. He simply pointed downstream. Haku followed the gesture and saw how just beyond the stillness, the water surged forward again, faster than before, tumbling over rocks in a white froth before smoothing out once more. Haku stood in silence. The river had not stopped. It had only gathered itself. He looked back at the fisherman, but the old man had already reeled in his empty line and was walking away. Haku sat on the bank, listening. The river, patient and unhurried, carried on. Take a comfortable position, and as always, take a moment to relax your body, arriving into stillness. Perhaps close your eyes gently and take a nice, satisfying breath in and out. Feel the breath entering your nose, cool and light, and then feel the warmth as you exhale, releasing tension, allowing you to soften a bit. There is no need to change anything. Just observe and notice the space around you, the quiet spaces between sounds. Be here in this moment just as it is. And when thoughts come, let them pass, like clouds, like ripples, like water. And now take a moment to reflect. When have you mistaken stillness for stagnation? When have you mistaken stillness for stagnation? In what moments have you needed to pause before moving forward? In what moments have you needed to pause before moving forward? Now bring your hands to your heart, and as always, send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I remember that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. As you gently let go of the practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with these reflections and also to check out our private circle group for practical moments of Zen you can play with. As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you tomorrow.